Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Maxi. This vehicle features a 1.5 eHybrid petrol engine producing 150 PS. Accompanying this is a smooth DSG automatic transmission. This example is finished in the pure grey solid paint colour, and taking a look at some of the exterior features, up front we'll find a set of LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights, and down below the Caddy sits on a set of 17-inch Barahona alloy wheels coming in a silver colour and a multi-spoke design. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find LED rear combination lights, and the Caddy also features a rear view camera along with a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the barn doors and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple load lashing rings dotted across the load area floor. This Caddy also features the twin sliding door option, and up front in the driver's cab area we'll find two singular seats, both with a single armrest and a heated seat function. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throughout the centre console we'll find a variety of different charging points as well as a few cup holders, and for the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel which is paired with a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Maxi. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.